just named my friends few minutes later in school. I want to marry my dream.
Go ahead, but now are you settled down? पैसा वैसा कमा लो, स्टैंड अप हो जाओ लाइफ में. गर्लफ्रेंड कहाँ भागनी है, उसको यही रहना है.
ब्रेकअप भी हो गया.
हाँ, तो और एक आ जाएगी ना. क्या है, दुनिया में लड़कियों की कमी थोड़ी है. एक जानी है, एक आनी है. बट पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करके फर्स्ट सेटल्ड अप तो हो जाओ, फिर शादी के बारे में सोचेंगे ना, है कि नहीं?
Okay, one more question from him. I want to leave my studies.
हाँ? No, not at all done.
I think he might be joking in both the cases, so don't take it seriously. And Prince, I'm sorry again.
सोचो भी मत to drop out your studies. कुछ भी नहीं है जिंदगी में उसके अलावा.
So next. This question is again very hilarious. I don't know how will you react to this question. One of my friend has asked that he, by mistakenly, has watched 365 Days. It's a movie. How will his parents react? But basically, you will give your opinion. And one more thing.
What movie?
365 Days. Now, if you don't know what is 365 Days, let
I
me
don't know.
clear it
I have
out.
not seen.
Obviously, you should not see. Also, you should also not see. You are a baby. Still now, you should not see again. And
I
of
hope
course,
it's not a porn movie.
kind of. It's 21 plus. And let me clarify: have you by mistakenly watched? Because you cannot watch a movie by mistakenly.
I will Google check the movie.
Don't.
And what's your age, beta? What's your
19.
age?
He's 19.
Okay, 19 is alright. You can watch.
By
But
mistakenly?
no, ये तो गलत और झूठ बात है. By mistakenly, nobody watches porns. Okay, you can watch, but the same thing I will say: be in your limit and do whatever you want. Don't make it an addiction. Watching porn is not bad. I don't think it's a bad practice, but making it a
All
habit.
of people like adults already do. So there's
Making it a habit is bad. So go ahead. Chill. ये आपके लिए नहीं है, ये उसके लिए है.
Chill, I'm not going to do
You
all
are
this.
only 16. You are 15.
I am going to be 16. Yay!
Time में.
Okay. Now next question. Do you know any of the adult jokes? And if you know, name one.
No. Well, ये झूठ होगा कि if I say that I don't know adult jokes, but at this moment I don't remember. I have bunch of friends. We used to crack jokes. I have heard many jokes, but at this moment I really don't remember.
So she is not a baby.
No, I'm not innocent. Who said I'm innocent?
Okay. So next question. Anyways, my video cannot go without the mentioning of BTS. So this is again from an army friend, BTS army friend. She said that, Mom, this is serious. I love all the 7 of the boys. She is basically in love. We all BTS fans are in love with these 7 boys. These are angels in our life. So she wants to marry all of them. Now what do you think?
Not possible. There is a thin line between dream and reality. These celebrities, we can dream of them, we can become fan of them, we can love them, but these are not these things. I mean to say, getting into relationship with these celebrities, it's a dream, and it will hurt you more if you keep on dreaming all these things. Don't.
Okay.
You are a fan, you love, we all have our crush, we all have fans in different industries. Celebrities होते ही इसीलिए हैं, we have crushes, but I think crush को crush तक रहने दो and enjoy them, love them, respect them, but don't dream about them. Don't dream of spending your life about them. It's a myth. Ultimately, you will be the one who will get hurt.
And bro, they are already 27 years old. We are freaking 16.
That doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter in love, dear. But the thing is that they are celebrities and we are their fans. Okay. They are because of fans like you. The BTS name, the brand is just made because of you guys. They are nothing without you. But that doesn't mean that you will dream of marrying them. बचपना है.
Obviously बचपना है ना. And we going to serious.
Yes.
आपके वीडियो में आप बिना चुड़ैल की तरह बातें किएगा.
हाँ, तो ये सीरियस बच्चों के क्वेश्चंस और आई कैन नॉट जो कर रहा हूँ ना, बच्चों को बुरा लग जाएगा कि देखो शी इज मेकिंग फन ऑफ अस. आई कैन नॉट डू दैट. When the kids are trusting me, I have to I have to keep their faith intact in me. I cannot joke around.
So she has become a public like thing. You can call her anytime, anyone you can call her, and if you have these kind of hilarious questions, she will be helping you.
मैं डांटती भी बहुत ज्यादा हूँ, बहुत ज्यादा डांटती हूँ.
मुझे लगता है.
हाँ.
I have not got crashing in many years.
You will get very soon. You will get very soon.
I don't want to. Okay. Now this again is a very casual question. Would you? What is your opinion on hookups and casual flirting? Now, if you don't know what is hookup,
I don't know what is hookup.
Hookup is like suppose kissing someone without any intention of love, like just masti mein kar. People do actually, not in India, of course.
No, everything is going around in India.
I don't know,
also,
but I have never heard or seen any kind of.
Be in your limit and then do whatever you want. Be safe.
So what do you prefer? The question is, what do you prefer? Casual flirting or hookups?
I think both are same.
No.
Casual
flirting, we don't kiss in casual flirting. We don't get in body touch in casual flirting.
Okay. Then I think casual flirting is a safe option. This is a very tricky question. I don't know. For me, both are okay. Hookups are also okay if you are kissing and moving on. I don't mind that also.
But hookups is not moving on. It's just basically for fun.
Okay.
Time
just for fun. Be in charge of yourself and do whatever you want. But casual flirting is cool, cute. I will go for casual flirting. No hookups for me.
I'm not telling it anymore. I'm not telling it after.
I mean, you are into any hookups और पीट के ना तुमको बॉल बना देंगे हम, गोल सा बॉल बना देंगे, ऐसा पीटेंगे तुमको अच्छे से.
I have not done anything such. Okay.
And don't try to be also. Okay.
Trust me.
I trust you.
Okay. So next question is again very simple. Tell us about your first crush, describe that, and your first proposal, boyfriend/boyfriend.
घर में पिटवाने का इरादा है मुझे.
पापा नहीं सुन रहे ना, it's only me.
अगर पापा सुनेंगे भी तो मुझे कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं. It's alright.
They have understanding. So.
Crush, first crush, Govinda. Real life first crush, there was a guy.
No, wait, tell us about that teacher you told me. Like you thought that teacher is going to propose you, but
solid पोपट बनाया था टीचर ने मेरा.
Wait, that teacher, mom thought that teacher is into her, and on Valentine's Day he is going to propose her. That teacher did something which was actually expected. Like you can get expectations from that. He called my mom into the staff room
with a bunch of red roses
and
in his hand,
and she thought that he's going to propose my mom.
He was super cute and super handsome.
Okay, I should have seen that.
अभी बुढ़ा हो गया होगा.
Anyways, that teacher ditched her, and I think
no, he didn't ditch. Actually, all सारा फितूर मेरे ही दिमाग का था. I had a crush, hidden crush on my computer teacher. I was into computer engineering and he was my faculty there. So I had a hidden crush, and one fine day, and that day was Valentine's Day. There was a bunch of red roses in his hand, and he said that Ranjana, can you come and meet me in the staff room at lunchtime? and then butterflies and violence and colorful air all around me. I was getting blushed, stomach में butterflies and all, everything. I thought so many things. I was so damn sure that this guy is calling to propose me. It was a Valentine's Day and there was a bunch of red roses. And that dash what he did with me, he said, Ranjana, your third semester payment is pending, so can you please kindly make the payment within 1 week? I said, okay sir. And then the flower was lying there. That flower bunch was gifted to him by his girlfriend. उसके बाद आप सोच सकते हो मेरे दिल में कैसे कैसे ख्याल आए. I just wanted to thrash him there, left, right, make him blue and black, but I could not. He was my teacher. And then चला गया, वो दिमाग से चला गया. It's life. कितने आते हैं, कितने चले जाते हैं, और चला गया.
Okay.
But he was very cute. Very cute he was.
Okay, now stop. Okay. Now this next question is basically from one of my international friends. So this question goes like, can a best friend turn into a boyfriend/girlfriend?
Definitely. The first step of love is friendship. The first step of any relationship is friendship. If you are not friends, you cannot be a good girlfriend. If you are not friends, you cannot be a good spouse. It goes on like that. Friendship is the base. नींव होता है कोई भी relationship का.
But if it is not of both sides, you may ruin your friendship.
Yes.
So be sure first that your partner is.
Let time take its course. Yeah. Give time.
Okay. Now next question is again from one of my abroad friends. That person asked, basically this is not a question, this is a permission he has taken from you.
From me?
Yes.
Okay.
It's again Stephen, but this Stephen is different. There are two Stephens. So this Stephen asks that, can I take your daughter out someday?
Yes, definitely you can.
What kind of a question is this? I would love to go.
Yes, I would also love to send her.
By the way, he's from LA, okay? And I would love to visit LA someday.
So what is his name?
Stephen.
Stephen, you can definitely take her out, but I will inform you that she is the, what do you say? She is jerk, boring to the core. Instead of her, you can take me. I am much more fun. I am much more fun than her. She is boring. मेरी बात मानो, she is really very boring. पका डालेगी तुमको. You will not enjoy her company. I 24/7 I am spending with you.
This is a different part of me. Ask my friends.
Oh, you have how many parts?
There are two
Split
different
personality.
parts.
So you are split personality.
You don't know anything about my dad.
Achha.
Priyanshi, please don't spill the tea here. Don't call up my mom and spill the
I
tea.
will call Priyanshi.
Don't.
Tomorrow morning, Priyanshi, I will call you. After this video goes out, I will call you. Be prepared.
Don't
I also want to know. But jokes apart, you can take her.
And please,
And bring her back.
I won't come.
You want to go to LA, you want to go to Korea, you first decide where you want
Korea
to
is
go.
a must. Like Korea, I have to visit, and I'm taking Korea. Means I'm going to Korea with you. I'm taking you with me.
I thought you were taking Korea with you.
I'm
You are taking me to Korea.
Yeah, to Korea.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready to go.
But you don't. I will not take you to the BTS concert.
I don't want to go. You go to the concert, I will roam around. I will shop and I will
By the
be
way,
on my
BTS is
own.
coming to India. I don't need to go all the way to Korea to meet them.
Okay.
Let's wait.
You can go.
Thank you. I love her so much. Thank you.
I don't love you.
I hate you. Now my next question. Will you keep your phone down? Yes.
Definitely.
So my next question is, what is your opinion on we going clubbing?
We.
Not we, friends.
Not now. For me,
Not now, of course. After 12, maybe.
you can go.
there is a permission. This video is saved. After this, if you say no,
I don't say no. जो बोल दिया सो बोल दिया, उसके बाद तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनती. That was a dialogue.
डायलॉग छापना बंद करो मूवी से. Okay. Now again, next question is, do you think that there should be a time limit whenever your child is going out? Like, do you support this idea or not? Means
Yes,
suppose
definitely.
like you have to come back by this time.
Definitely.
Why?
Freedom with restrictions are much more better than accidents.
Yeah. That is
Freedom should be there, but restrictions also should be there. And I firmly believe in this. So go wherever you want, come on time. I have some few restrictions which you have to follow. Follow my restrictions. I will tell. Let time come.
Okay.
अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद सोचेंगे.
So the last question for today is, wait.
Such a show them the question paper. लॉकडाउन में दिमाग का दही. दिस इज कॉल्ड दिमाग का दही.
Now, this question is again a hilarious one. I don't know how.
This is the last question.
Yes. And I don't know how will you react to this question. One of my friend, and that is 20 years old, so I don't think there will be a problem. But this question, basically he wanted to ask his mom, but he has asked this question to you basically.
Okay.
He has made out, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
Now, how should he tell his parents?
There is nothing wrong if you have made out. I mean, you can definitely go and share your problem. I hope there is no problem, right?
There is no problem.
Then there is no nothing
Without
to
the
hide. There is nothing to hide around. If you want to tell your parents, you can definitely go and tell your parents. If you have that relationship with your parents, then I would suggest go and tell. Otherwise, if you don't want to tell, then also there is no such big crime, because you are
Until and unless there is something wrong.
and you are 20, means you are big enough to handle all the circumstances. But one thing I will say, don't fool around. If I don't know whether I am satisfiable, my answer is satisfying you, but don't fool around with someone. Don't make a fool of yourself and your partner. Be safe. That is the thing.
So we are done with these questions.
Okay.
So let us know in the comment section, especially my friends. I have named you and I have not spelled the T yet. So do comment, like and share. If you have liked and if you are satisfied with her answers, please.
And no more questions for 2 months. This was hell lot of questions.
Okay. And this is it for today. Stay safe, be home, and keep doing Pagalpanti all like this, and keep giving us ideas. My friends give
And
quite
do
good
like our
ideas.
channel.
So
Do like, share and
comment,
subscribe to our channel.
Hit that subscribe button if you
And wait. I have something to say. भाई, ये कौन से लोग हैं जो सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन को सब्सक्राइब करके फिर अनसब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं, फॉलो करके फिर अनफॉलो कर देते हैं? भाई, इतनी क्या चुल मची होती है उंगली में? कर दिया तो छोड़ दो ना, फिर उसको अनसब्सक्राइब करने की क्या जरूरत है, अनफॉलो करने की क्या जरूरत है? मिलोगे ना जिस दिन रास्ते में, बहुत पीटेंगे, पकड़ के पीटेंगे, बोरे में बंद करके फेंक देंगे समुद्र के पानी में, गंगा में फेंक देंगे. बहुत गुस्सा आता है मुझे. हाँ, सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, फिर वहां पर क्या चुल मची है जाकर के अनसब्सक्राइब करने की? डोंट डू दिस. कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग. माई लैंग्वेज, दिस इज माई लैंग्वेज. इससे भी भयानक लैंग्वेज है. गुस्सा आ जाता है मुझे ऐसे अनसब्सक्राइब कर देने से. डोंट डू दिस. ये बचपना मत करो. बी मैच्योर, ग्रो अप. ओके, सब्सक्राइब करो और फैलाओ. प्यार दो,
बी मैच्योर. दिस पर्सन.
प्यार दो, प्यार लो. चलो, बहुत हो गया आज के लिए. गुड नाइट. आई एम गोइंग. मुझे चाय चाहिए.
Bye bye to all my friends. Bye bye.